Do you have a bucket list? You know, all those things you want to do before you die? Well, life is not guaranteed. So when it comes to must-visit cruise destinations, I have 5 that need to be on your bucket list. Ahoy, travelers! It's Amy here to help you make your travel experience a success. Cruises stop at every continent on Earth, so there is no shortage of amazing destinations to book for your next cruise. But let's look at 5 of the most popular destinations that should be at the top of your list. 1. The Caribbean. Most North Americans' first cruise destination is likely going to be the Caribbean, but that doesn't mean it shouldn't make our list. For those outside of North America, the Caribbean isn't as easy of a destination to get to, but it should definitely still be on that list. Imagine waking up to the sight of turquoise waters, white sandy beaches, and endless sunshine. The Caribbean is a paradise that offers a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life with this treasure trove of diverse destinations. Each island has its own unique charm, culture, and natural beauty. So whether you're exploring the lush rainforests of Jamaica, relaxing on white sandy beaches of the Bahamas, or enjoying the cenotes of the Yucatan, there's something for everyone. If it's adventure you want, there's plenty of that to be found as well. Snorkel or scuba dive along the second largest reef in Belize. Feel the adrenaline rush as you zip line through lush canopies or hike up volcanic peaks. The Caribbean is an adventurer's playground. For those who love to dive into culture and history of a destination, there's plenty of that in the Caribbean as well. Visit local markets, explore century-old forts, and enjoy traditional music and dance performances. If you're looking for some relaxation, the Caribbean is the perfect place to unwind. Pamper yourself with a massage or yoga session on the beach, or simply relax with a good book under a swaying palm tree. It's the ultimate destination for relaxation and rejuvenation. From the west to east to south, the Caribbean has so much variety to offer that you're not going to want to stop at just one Caribbean cruise. So number 2, Alaska. Undoubtedly, the most popular bucket list cruise destination in the U.S. is Alaska, where untamed wilderness meets breathtaking beauty. If you're looking for a unique and unforgettable adventure, there are many reasons to put an Alaskan cruise on your bucket list. Alaska is home to some of the most stunning natural landscapes in the world. Cruise through icy fjords and witness towering glaciers calving into the sea. Marvel at the snow-covered mountains, dense forests, and pristine rivers that make Alaska a nature lover's paradise. Get up close to Alaska's incredible wildlife. Spot humpback whales breaching the ocean. See brown bears fishing for salmon, and watch bald eagles soaring high above. Every day on an Alaskan cruise brings a new opportunity for unforgettable wildlife encounters. While at port, immerse yourself in the rich cultural heritage of Alaska. Experience the traditions and stories of Native Alaskan communities through performances and artwork. Explore historical landmarks that tell the tale of Alaska's gold rush era and pioneering spirit. For those who are looking for some adventure, Alaska offers endless opportunities for exploration. Kayaking, hiking rugged trails, dog sledding across snowy landscapes, or trekking on ancient glaciers. Alaska is an adventurer's dream come true. Discover the last frontier and embark on an unforgettable journey. An Alaskan cruise promises memories that are going to last you a lifetime. So are either of these North American destinations on your bucket list? If you've been cruising for long, you have likely already visited both. So let's keep going. Heading over to Europe, we have so many locations to choose from, but there are 2 that should definitely make it on your short list. So number 3, the Mediterranean. The Mediterranean is a region that promises unforgettable experiences at every port. From the beaches of the Greek Isles to the bustling markets of Barcelona, the Mediterranean offers a diverse array of destinations. So whether you're exploring the cobblestone streets of Dubrovnik, savoring the flavors of Provence, or lounging on the beaches of the Amalfi Coast, there's something for every traveler. When you cruise through the Med, you embark on a journey through the heart of history, culture, and natural beauty. The Mediterranean is a living museum of history and culture. So you can walk through the ancient ruins of Rome, Athens, and Ephesus, explore medieval castles, Renaissance art, and century-old cathedrals. Each destination is a gateway to the past, offering a look into civilizations that shaped our world. Are you a foodie? The Mediterranean is known for its cuisine. Savor authentic Italian pasta and pizza, enjoy Spanish tapas and paella, taste the fresh flavors of Greek cuisine. Every meal is a celebration of local ingredients and traditions, making your cruise a gourmet journey. Experience the natural beauty of the Mediterranean, from the cliffs of Santorini to the crystal clear waters of the French Riviera. The region offers endless opportunities for outdoor adventures and relaxation. With so many unique experiences to offer, you're going to want to make sure the Mediterranean cruise is on your bucket list. Number 4, Norway. A land of breathtaking natural beauty and rich cultural heritage are reasons enough to cruise the fjords of Norway. Famous for its spectacular fjords, there's no better way to experience them than by cruising through the fjords themselves. Sail through the UNESCO World Heritage Site of Geiranger Fjord or the majestic Fjord. These stunning landscapes carved by glaciers offer views of towering cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and crystal clear waters. While many will compare Norway to Alaska, they're less alike than you might think. But if you like one, you're sure to love the other. Cruise the northern fjords of Norway in the winter and experience the natural phenomena that Norway is known for, the northern lights. In the summer months, enjoy the unique experience of the midnight sun, where the sun never sets and the days are endless. Explore yet another UNESCO World Heritage Site by visiting Bryggen Wharf in Bergen with its colorful wooden buildings and historical charm. The history of Scandinavian Vikings can be discovered throughout museums and interactive exhibits as well. Are you a nature lover? Norway is an outdoor enthusiast paradise. You can hike through the stunning Lofoten Islands, kayak in the fjords, or cycle through picturesque countryside. But there's more to enjoy than just the natural beauty of Norway. During your ports of call, you can discover the charm of Norway's coastal towns. Wander through the Art Nouveau architecture of Hellesylt, explore the cultural scene in Tromsø, and enjoy the historical streets of Stavanger. Each town has its unique character and charm, offering a warm welcome to visitors. So we're going to be checking Norway off our bucket list this fall, and I cannot wait. We've already booked our Flaam railway tickets and made sure to book a cruise that sails through Geiranger Fjord. Now, I would love to hear from anyone who has been to both Alaska and Norway. Which was your favorite destination and why? So we have one last destination to add to your bucket list, but before we do, if you enjoyed this video and maybe even learned something, consider subscribing with the notification bell on so you don't miss out on any future posts. So finally, number 5, Asia. Asia is a land of ancient traditions and cultures surrounded by breathtaking beauty. You can embark on a journey like no other, exploring the wonders of this diverse continent. A treasure trove of rich cultural heritage, discover the temples of Kyoto, witness traditional dance performances in Bali, and walk along the Great Wall of China. Each destination offers a glimpse into the traditions and histories that have shaped the region. From the busy markets of Bangkok to the beaches of the Philippines, Asia offers a wide variety of destinations to visit. Explore the modern cities of Tokyo and Singapore, or relax on the serene beaches of Vietnam. There's something for every traveler in Asia. Are you willing to try new foods? Savor the flavors of street food in Hong Kong, enjoy fresh sushi in Japan, or take a cooking class in Thailand. Every meal is an opportunity to experience the diverse flavors of Asia. Marvel at the terraced rice fields in Bali and witness the famous cherry blossoms in Japan. Asia's diverse geography offers opportunities for outdoor adventures and scenic exploration. Excursions allow you to create unforgettable memories with unique experiences. Participate in a traditional tea ceremony in China, explore the night markets of Taiwan, or go on a wildlife safari in Borneo to see orangutans in their natural habitat. Each excursion offers a new adventure and a deeper connection to Asia's charm. An Asia cruise promises a blend of history, culture, natural beauty, and luxury. Is it on your bucket list? I know it's on mine. How many of these bucket list destinations have you been to, and which is your favorite? Drop a comment below and maybe you can convince someone to visit your favorite destination. Are you ready for more information on cruising? Why not stick around and check out this video and then come back for more information designed to help you have an amazing cruise. Have a blessed week, everyone.